What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-103172-4 network connection error. And I'm just going to show you how to fix this error, and let's go to the screen. And here we are at the screen. So go to the settings here. Here's the settings and then network, and you just go to the username account. Just check your PSN account, it's signed in or not. Sometimes your PSN account is not signed in, that's why you get this error. And then here is your file, and then go to the login setting. Here you just log in your PS5 automatically, turn it on, and network, view PlayStation network services. You just check the status. Sometimes the server is down, so when you're working on the updates, that's why you get this error. The server is working up and good, you have a local internet problem. So you just go to the settings, and here we are. Set up a new internet connection. I'm just going to suggest you just use a wired LAN cable. Is better than the Wi-Fi, but in the Wi-Fi you set the advanced settings, primary DNS and a secondary DNS. You can set it which one is working good in your country. And MTU setting 1500 is okay, so you can change it, search it, and put it here back, and then you just connect it and do the same setting on the wired LAN. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of error on the PlayStation 5. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.